What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, May 11th, 2025, 8:30 here in the morning on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you hot, sexy mamas out there. Thank you so much for everything you've done for all of us. Much, much appreciated beyond words. It's Sunday morning, Mother's Day especially. I got one service call that's scheduled. It's a maintenance for an existing residential client. I got to get it done today because we are just jam-packed during the week. I need another set of hands. I need to add someone to the team. I interviewed someone this morning at 8. They were actually a little bit early than 8. He'll get back to me in a couple days if he wants to take up the offer that I proposed to him. Got some learning to do. He's not like in a truck tomorrow, but we have a very jam-packed week. I need to get some service calls done because there's not enough hours in the day. Because on Thursday, I'm only doing 2 service calls, and then the wife and I were headed to Prague in Czechoslovakia for a nice long weekend, celebrating my wife's 50th birthday. We're getting old, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting old. And one thing we can't escape, besides taxes, is death. So live life where you can, but be prepared for tomorrow, which will more than likely come. I'm just a few minutes away from this residential service customer that we have to do on their air conditioning system. They got 2 Bosch systems, I believe, or maybe I don't know. I could be wrong. But hopefully I'll record some video for you guys and feed you guys some content that you guys love to consume. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Does that have a little brush on it? Oh, okay, that'll work. Voila, look at that. She's running, by the way. Bosch 1, Bosch 2. Love me, Bosch. All right. I just cleaned the forward unit, which is for I think this is for the first floor. Just powered it back on. We're gonna cycle her, make sure she's working. I'm gonna dedicate some attention to the one back here. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can carefully lift up. That's her fan motor. Perfect. We're gonna get our vacuum and vacuum out all this debris. And then we're just gonna use water and clean the coil, remove any vegetation that's growing inside, if any. A good technician is observant of their surroundings, so let's start vacuuming this stuff out of here. I got my Milwaukee M18 6-gallon wet dry vac right there. Let's get the show on the road. Come here, baby. Come to mama. Oh, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Must be a wheel locked or something. leaves, big or small. Okay, come on. Hard to get in there, but we got most of it clean, all the vegetation removed. I'm just gonna soak her down with the hose now, spray a little spray nine in there, break up all the dirt, get her clean. All right, it's time to get out the brush and brush this bad boy down. You remember how dirty she was, right? So I'm gonna spare you guys the details, but you'll see the shocking truth when your system is cleaned by Pipe Doctor. You're gonna see in just a moment what you get when you call us for maintenance on your system. You guys ready? If you're ready, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. All right, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because you're about to see the shocking reveal. That's right, baby. Stick around. All right, let's keep it real. Did you expect to be able to eat off the bottom of this condensing unit? I hope you sure expected that, because that's what you get. She's clean as a whistle. And I even got all the way in there. See? It's all, oh, you got me. There's a little bit of debris that washed up right there. Oh, man. And yes, I did clean the bottom as well. Sweet. All right, we have an 88 degree on average discharge temperature on top of that condensing unit. Our ambient temperature is, oh, this is cool, is 69. Why does it feel like this one's running in heat mode? Why does it feel like this one's running in heat mode? $69 almost. Yeah, we'll be at 69 degrees. What's up with that? Why is she running in heat mode? All right, let's take a look under the hood, checking out our inverter control board. A lot of weird stuff going on here to the untrained eye. The most important thing you're gonna wanna know is what that LED display is showing. Right now it's showing 39, and that's the frequency that the inverter is running at. We have 3 buttons on the top right-hand corner. We have one that's marked Wi-Fi, the one in the middle is marked check, and the one all the way on the right is marked force, to force it into high fire or high run. After 5 to 15 minutes, it will be at high frequency. Let's push this one time, and that'll give us 00, and it'll say H3. This is a 3-ton heat pump. Let's hit it again. We're at 2, which is running in cooling mode. I hit it again. We are compressor speed, we're at 40 hertz. Number 3, 76. Number 3 is the outdoor coil temperature. And let's check 4, which give us the ambient temperature, which is 64 degrees. All right, let's go down to number 5 and 6, compressor discharge temperature and compressor suction temperature. So let's go to 5 is 87, number 6 is 45. We have good parameters there. And our discharge temperature is now 76 degrees. We have an indoor ambient temperature of 68, by the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 10 minutes after 10. Got it done. quick and painless. Wife's probably gonna yell at me because I told her I'll be home by 10, but I cannot leave no stone unturned, you know what I mean? That's what happens when you call Pipe Doctor Home Services. You get professional HVAC services on your residential or commercial equipment. I can't do it any other way. I really can't. It's got to be done, leaving no stone unturned. Doing our due diligence and making sure the system is up and running 100%. Thank you again for watching, for supporting the channel. I wouldn't be here without you. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, be well, God bless, stay safe. Happy Mother's Day.